Hello guys, Krzysztof here. That will be just very quick video to update you about my 21-day challenge. So as you can see, it's early morning and I'm still on my coffee. um, Recently, I've been dealing with my baby stuff just only because I had to just get it looks much better, even the video channel, everything. So now you can see Instagram account has got more posts, a few videos. So that's what I did recently with this channel. Now let me show you my Facebook group. So this is my Facebook group. It's got much more posts, videos from YouTube, more posts and more posts and more posts. So as you can see, the group is ready, and now we're waiting for people to come to the group. So what else? YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has got now 5 videos, not one. So you can see I've been still fighting with it. It's all recent. 2 days ago, 1 day ago, 9 hours ago, 7 hours ago, and that was just uploaded recently. So let me show you quickly my Quora. This is my Quora. All of my answers has been viewed 545 times, but mostly that's it's regards affiliate marketing answers. But I want to show you that Quora works as well. So this was my question. I answered about this, about baby problems, about these sleeping problems, if I'm not wrong. It's got 68 views and even one share. Someone shared the answer because they thought the answer might be useful. And on these notifications, that will briefly tell me what questions they want me to answer. Because the thing is with Quora, the thing is that if you will answer more questions, they will ask you to answer their questions as well, which is good. You can get more traffic. So yeah, that would be everything for this quick video. So you see, it's Facebook group updated, my YouTube channel updated. This is all videos, and my Instagram account updated as well. So that was the plan, and we can focus on another program, because I mentioned to you I'll be promoting 2 programs from Clickbank. So this is the first one, which is set up and ready to go, and now I'll be focusing on the other one, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you posted every single day. So thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much for being with me, and tomorrow I will create tomorrow new content for another product, and I'll post a video about that as well, to show you how far did I go. So you'll see how the product looks like, and how looks stuff for other products. So thanks so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.